Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Glacier Breeze AC, whether it's the best portable AC for the summer or just a scam. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you ask me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. So the Glacier Breeze AC is being advertised as this super efficient mini air cooler. They claim it's perfect for small rooms, easy to carry around, and can even purify the air. The official site shows a sleek little unit that makes it look like a high-end product. You'll also use or see sponsored posts praising it as the best portable AC of 2025. But dig a little deeper and yeah, things get shady. According to malware tips, the Glacier Breeze AC may not live up to the hype. A lot of people are saying it's just a basic evaporative cooler with fancy marketing. It doesn't actually lower room temperature, it just blows coolish air in your face. Plus, there are complaints about vague return policies and delayed shipping. The review on Beehive sounds super positive, but honestly, it reads more like an affiliate promo than an unbiased review. So is the Glacier Breeze AC a total scam? Not exactly. It's a real product, and it might work for personal cooling in a small space, but if you're expecting full room AC power, you're probably gonna be disappointed. And for the price, there are better options out there. Try the Glacier Breeze AC yourself. Let us know in the comments. And if you want more honest reviews like this, hit like and subscribe. Stay cool and see you in the next one.